Scrumble it. Cake-ify it.
So like I said in my previous video, there's traffic on the site now. A lot of people are trying to generate. You're not the only one that wants to generate, all right? So the site is pika apps, something like AI effects or something like that. So I'm going to take you through on how you'll be able to generate your own video. But before you generate this effect, you need to sign in with your Google account or with your email or Facebook, whichever one. But note that anyone that you sign in with, you are only entitled to one video in a day. That's, you cannot generate more than one video in a day. And that Google account, you only generate 10 videos in a month, okay? So you can sign in using your Chrome or any browser of your choice. So first of all, you open your browser and search for pika art. Pika art. Okay, that's it there. You open it. You click on the first one. So you wait for it to load. Okay. So here we are now. My own is like this because I've already signed in. That's why my own is like this. But if you're opening it for the first time, it will take you to a place that you have to sign in. Like this place, you have to choose which method you want to use to sign in. So this is the first time I did my own. I signed in with my email account, okay? So you type your email account, then type your password. After typing your password, you click on sign in. When you click on sign in, it will now bring you to this place. You click on try now. So this is how it will look like, okay? Can you see a lot of effects here? There are a lot of effects here, okay? You can see I pop it, squish it, crumble it, cakeify it, inflate it, tada it, crush it, deflate. Guys, there are a lot of effects here, all right? So what you do is that you click on that image sign. Can you see the image there? You click on it, okay? It will take you to where you can bring your photos, any type of photo that you want to use, okay? Whether it's your own or anyone's own, you just go and bring it, all right? So this is the photo that I want to use. You click done. You can see the photo. Then you click on describe your story. Describe anything that you want that thing to do to your photo. Yeah, I want it to cakeify my photo, so I'll type cakeify it. Cakeify it. Then you click on that star sign. It will start loading. You wait for it. Guys, this usually takes a lot of time, okay? It takes time. You can see we are experiencing high demand right now, so you have to wait. They say it usually takes a minute, but no, it takes more than 1 minute, especially when it gets to 99%. I just have to fast forward this video so that the video will not be long, okay? This is 99%. It takes time like 2 minutes or 3 minutes before it will generate the video, but you have to wait. You just have to be patient. Okay, now this is the video. You click on download. They said here is your first video, share it with everyone you want. I don't want to share, I just want to download it. After downloading, you go to your photos and check the video.